Welcome to day 8 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robyn Pitts and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly. And to be entered into our giveaways, you must subscribe and leave a comment daily on each of our videos. I will leave all of the giveaway details in the description box below. And what I have created for you today is this spooky, glamorous coffin. And I used a file from Lori Whitlock, and I did enlarge it because I wanted to be able to put some goodies on the inside. So on the outside, I have just used this decorative paper and cut out a ticket with the skull and crossbones on my cricket. And I used this purple spider and made some purple, black, and gold flowers. I am using the vine, but this time it has a purple glitter on it, and I've tucked some of the Dollar Tree tulle that I'm in love with this year around the flower collage cluster. And I put some tulle up here and some vine peeking out from under the ticket. I also punched out some chain, and I used an EK Success punch. I've had that in my stash for a very long time, and I've taken the chain and I've just wrapped it around the edge, over the sides and across the top in various places. And then I have this rosette trim that I put on the bottom. Since I put flowers on the top, I went ahead and used that around the lid of the coffin. And then when you open it up, I have put decorative paper all on the inside, and there's a big spider for a scare in there. And I have created some bat bow embellishments. I used glitter cardstock, and the bling is from Michaels, and some decorative paper. I've got 4 of those in here, and I also put in some flowers in my rhinestone. There, it's not sticking, so I have some flowers and some other little flowers that I've put in there, and I put some purple pumpkins to match. I have a few of those in there, and then I made a creepy rosette with a spider web of the vellum, as well as the purple tulle from Dollar Tree, and another flower I've made, and this time I put a spider in the middle. And so I have 4 of those. So I thought kind of some spooky embellishments in the coffin. I love how this came out. I was really pleased because when I start, I make it and put my paper, but I wasn't sure how I wanted to decorate it, but I wanted to incorporate some flowers this time, so I was really pleased how everything came out. So I find it very spooky glamorous is what I'll say. So I hope everyone has a spectacular day, and make sure to check out the other ladies' videos and come back tomorrow. Thank you.